Question 23. A frustum is made by removing a small square-based pyramid from a similar large square-based pyramid as shown in the diagram. So since I know that I'm working with similarity and I know that this 45 is the height of the big one and 15 is the height of the smaller pyramid, so I will find my scale factor already, which is 45 divided by 15, which is 3. The height of the small pyramid is 15, the height of large pyramid is 45. The square base of the large pyramid has side length of 39. So these four would be the same because it is a square based. Work out the total surface area of the frustum. Okay, to start with, what I will do is I will draw a straight line over here which shows the height of these, and this diagonal will reach this, and I will have another diagonal like this. So what I want to do from here is I want to find a triangle which is exactly in the middle. So this part and this part. Okay, so this is the triangle that I'm looking for so that I can continue working. Okay, let's see what is happening. So this as a whole over here, this will also be 39. The height, I know it's 45. This part on this side, let's call it x. So let's extract this triangle first so we can see everything clearly. This is 45. This slanted height is x. And this as a whole is 39. Okay, let's try to find x from here. So I know that this is exactly in the middle, right? So this would be 39 divided by 2, which is 19.5. Now from here, since I know this is a right angle triangle and I know two sides from that, I can find my x using Pythagoras theorem, which would be for 45 to the squared plus 19.5 to the squared under root. So my x will be 49.04334817. Now let's see the diagram again. Okay, because this is the whole triangle from here. I need only the bottom part and I don't have the upper part. So let's call this part A, for example. Let's call this part B. So from here, it looks like this. This is A. This is B. Now what will my B be actually? If we take a look over here, it looks like B is 2 over 3 of x because my scale factor was 3. So if this is one part, this will be two parts, right? So that my scale factor is 3. So I can write B to be 2 over 3 times this whole length, which was x. So this would be, replace x here, it would be 32.69556545. Okay, what I've got from B over here, this is the height of the trapezium. Now what I need to find to be able to find the area of that trapezium is this length here. And then I know that all of these will be equal because this will also be a square. So this part here is the same as this part in this diagram. Now we can use similarity for this. Why? Because I know that this ratio to this one is 1:3. So for me to be able to get this part, let's call it C, for example. Okay, so C would be equal to 39 divided by 3 by similarity. So this would be equal to 13. Now I've got my C, which is this part. Right, I've got this part, which is 13. Now I can find the area of this trapezium. So the top part of the trapezium was 13. This bottom part I know was 39. And the height, I've calculated this to be, let's see over here, 32.6955 dot dot. I know that the area of the trapezium is half times A plus B times by the height. So this would be 39 plus 13 multiplied by 32.69 dot 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 divided by 2. This will give me 850.0847017. Now I have 4 such trapeziums in the frustum, right? So the total frustum area would be the area of 4 trapeziums, or 4 trapezia, plus the top square that I have, plus the bottom square. Well, remember, our diagram was like this. All right. This is the bottom square, this is the top square, and I have also 4 trapeziums over here. So 4 times 850.0847017, plus the top square, which was 13 times 13, plus the bottom square, which is 39 multiplied by 39. This will give me 5090.33 dot dot dot. And let's see. It says give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. So this would be 5090 centimeters squared. And we've done with that paper. Okay, this was quite a long question. So make sure you work it step by step and you understand at every step what is happening. It's really helpful to write keywords so you are not lost. You know exactly where you are in the question. Okay, so if you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.